Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check this number. The first one requires a secret code and the second is by using the settings. And of course I'll show you both. And so let's start with a secret code. So we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with the serial number of this device. So let me tap on OK. And basically right now, the second way, by using the settings, it will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And right here we have to localize the model. Let's tap on it. It should be right here, or it does not work, unfortunately. So maybe in the status information. Yes, as you can see right here, we've got the serial number. So remember, do not find the model, just like I said, just the status information, and after entering you will be able to check the serial number. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the serial number using two different ways in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.